Myntri Ketenat Civil Defense and Home Guard ke Jelau ba coming on imbon ula ong ba ke Jingpynrung kam ki Home Guard ha ketenat kan Sdang ha Nailur banwan namar ba yamenta dang yai ke Jingpynrung ki Jingdon kam kidon kumba saus pa teli ki kam ki balai ha kene ketenat ha ki kedan ba per bat kat kum ke Jingong Myntri ke Jingpyn kre kala yai shai menta ula ong ha kene ke kam en bu kerpang 10% ki Home Guard volunteer bat ke basa en ailat ban yakun baro ki badon jingtmu da kalenti ke bakoj bat ke basai abakan skila patai ku boru ba coming on ula ong ba kumba kalong menta kam don na ke jing sa teng ke jing seo sha ki volunteer jong ka Home Guard ula ong ba katanat hadin bala dep ai ke jing hikai ka pha ki Home Guard sakitnat ki badon kam.
You see the current status of the recruitment of the Home Guard department. We're planning now. All the process we completed. I think by the month of September, we'll start the recruitment process. Maybe the physical test and all. And after this physical test, they will do the written examination. So after that, I think we will try to expedite. Within this year, we will complete everything.
How many posts?
Posts is around 400 something. Different categories. SI posts, constable, all this, including I think maybe around 400 something.
Now, what are the issues now? Current issues? Are they deployed properly, or salaries are given?
There is, as of now, there is no salary pending, nothing. We're trying to fulfill all the salaries and all of this. Means even this, what is a volunteer Home Guard? No. You see, this volunteer Home Guard, these people after they complete the training, the police department, like as traffic police, they ask the Home Guard department to send some, maybe they need 100 numbers of Home Guard volunteer training. Then we send like that. The fund and everything is come from the police department only, not from the Home Guard department. After they getting the sanction, then we deploy the Home Guard volunteers to the police department.
So there is a difference between volunteer Home Guards and Home Guards.
I think you understand the difference. Volunteer Home Guards mean a temporary one, no? Contractual, not a permanent. Is a permanent post.
So why can't you incorporate that under the Home Guards? Volunteers also.
No, volunteers mean volunteer. This volunteer is a contractual only. Suppose if the police department ask me, as of now, no need this volunteer, they have to terminate it.
So this 400 upcoming post, the volunteer doesn't come.
No, we put 10% for this Home Guard volunteer as a quota, 10% for them, and the rest, everybody they can compete. We're trying to do in the transparency. I already asked my officer we should do the transparency. No need to do this fires and all everything.